Ah, hello there, Animal Crossing New Horizons players, and welcome back. There is something I do want to bring up to you. Oh, yeah, and I'm going to talk about it right now. Yes. Okay. You do remember, when you first have Blather's says tent on your island for the first time? When you have that, there, you always hear this water running, right? The water running like from a siphon, like into an aquarium. But I'm kind of like wondering, like, why is that even there if he's not going to use it? Yeah. And also, what is the purpose for that as well? Yeah. Because, to me, I think that he might be, getting ready, like, for the, bigger expansion of the, tent. Like, for the museum. Like, for the, 15 donations of... There are 15 donations of anything on the island. Yeah. But I'm just wondering, what do you all think? Like, what that siphon water thing with the aquarium in a tent is like even there for? Yeah. I'm wondering about that. And I'm wondering if you... And I'm wondering, like, what do you think about that? Please let me know. And I'll be seeing you all later.